ana abrante fe ne Kylian Mbappe ene kwa mo fa so ma Kylian Mbappe etena wo Real Madrid na e ma picture we na ma manfo ni gihu ye pa se hey he said Mbappe oni Messi oni Akraf Hakimi oni Jorginho Vanadu Donnarumma ene Sergio Ramos ene ba besi akan ite eden anoma betimi akoye ama Paris Saint-Germain etimi age the Champions League. Fast forward omo etimi age the Champions League and the gap between omo and RC Lens even in the French league enye so much convincing. Christophe Galtier na be fa adwuma no ene ono susu je adwuma no honom e de ato no mafi honom akọ akaboka Hakimi ene abrante fe no Donnarumma. Now this is where Kylian Mbappe comes into contest with this particular subject matter when it comes to Paris Saint-Germain. Abra most of these players Kylian Mbappe extending the contract. So this was Nasser Khelaïfi and Kylian Mbappe 2025. That was what was told in the public, say 3 years. But realistically, not 2 years with an option to extend with 1 year na beto aso no. Na eno na Kylian Mbappe abomu 2 years. Ano di 2 years on timi nto aso. Extend ya na on activate 1 year na yede. E ka wono. Which means baby a Kylian Mbappe jina say no. Oba be free agent in 2024 July. Neso betimi akotim bia abra team ni ntwe scan fan be dey enfan be fa no na no na Paris Saint-Germain tena se dream wudi se dey kwa na asem we kura team be pia bonten no kura ne say abra mo sign a clause no Kylian Mbappe date wom so betimi activating the 1 year option was July 31st this year.
Okay,
it July 31st ne pound dia na so onua de me say adi ka choma na omo ya we say to ana onye dey on to aso but when na ntwe ama July 31st na nru ano wedi come on manya assembly say me the team ni dey ba bi aduru ni dey say na mo ni so ade hunu say mo di players we nya ba metima je Champions League no mo account no matena se ada adwen ho say metena enye den emmo amitimeja honom de akọ na de ma Paris Saint-Germain fo na bufo nyina de aba enra course free na say Khelaïfi go call referee do Mbappe ni papa esa so call face aso so honom eni omukodi nkomo say na de na ekoso yi nyina no enkofo mu di karte na equip
le club ne dit Kanté.
Elle dit Kanté. Paris Saint-Germain kwa no monsa nyanka official letter from Kylian Mbappe.
Oh, okay.
It le club for inside a kind of story no more free PSG abuso almost say. Normally as journalists sometimes when you get stories you need to verify from the panel you involved no. So they call Paris Saint-Germain their sources there trying to verify say no cre and anya no cre. And when they prompted Paris Saint-Germain attention. And the bar situation is said there be Abrante na say bibi cause or him and the 30 minutes na let tenesu.
Na betum.
Na betum. Na fidie omba be cheke e wo honom se Abu Dhabi Kylian Mbappe ai na adwen se tenane na onye dey on tena bim na two solutions either Mbappe will stay and extend or they will sell Mbappe say Mbappe be ko free pass so there Abu omum pese besi but ade ama asem na de ne so omo sa Mbappe no mimi na me player me na me se me extend me bom years na wie no ma ko free ade na abaye me en na ma Paris Saint-Germain etwetwero bobo na Paris Saint-Germain etwe we form mo twa mo form mo nyina no mo mpa bo nyina na yese Luis Campos be sa bem because ono eneni ma brante we pa abra brante we pi mu Monaco ono ne boaye e ma brante we Monaco ni nyomo ye ho nyina nyomo tibi ko ye de ma no so they are counting on him again so ono ni betimi aboa ama brante we timi atena na Abu otena na sem no any situation na yese edi hu komo se ene na there was a meeting between Pablo Hotels ne Luis Campos Mayoka enkomodi de ni ya ye league can in on person mo fan fi Mayoka de ne ba be PM team no Paris Saint-Germain
another fine player
price and that no so 17 million euros but this season the call and every season we the call 25 million euros enkomodi de na drechi Abrante ne mo mote ase say on person betina Mayoka he wants to play the UEFA Champions League or the 2 years Paris Saint-Germain be man the opportunity so betima about the Champions League the tosu mienu Luis Campos mane ya we say obano be pie mo anya so ba betena tena bench and na me busa me question say oh Vitinha oh Carlos Soler oh a lot of players are all say omo de omo ba die na gina musa Abrante we be pie mo betima nya bia bo and na Luis Campos ka che ne say papa oba team ne de me na me de ka ka che so sign wo ma bo no be de obebo obe start and they convince Abrante we so be moving from Mayoka aba be pie mo team e friend Paris Saint-Germain and common now so Paris Saint-Germain no personal agreement and also money personal terms no money Abrante friend Bernardo Silva Abu Dhabi verbally they've agreed say Bernardo Silva betima ba bisi akan e de ama Paris Saint-Germain in terms of on one kasa personal terms sikasem. But the biggest head-on e be ya on Manchester City nkomodi de bekoso. Saying ana Manchester City expected so benye free Bernardo Silva. Eja no amanako. The secret to Bernardo Silva wanting to move to Paris Saint-Germain to see Luis Campos. The catalyst, betima ma Mbappe susu etimi atena ba akono. Signing we say susu amehunu ha.
Signing we don't so baby to me mama.
Signing we say susu betima
then
one, the two of them have a strong relationship from Monaco days.
Oh, okay.
Number two, the quality of Bernardo Silva no. HSA PSG be quite ambitious to make sure some betima achieve the also moye. Before na buy no, na bi ka Robert Lewandowski do no copy Barcelona no.
Oh, okay.
Because na Kylian Mbappe hwe ni Musa come the Lewandowski the be there. Ebeba, they toss me no Milan screening a deal no. Entimi anko they had to wait. And some screening abeba waba this particular summer no. So her drink kakra. And they feel say Bernardo Silva ba screening aba. The project is rightly on its way. So betima achieve BB. Manchester City any bring some person for Guardiola. Bayern Munich ko ho. Bayern Munich there's one money who a team now Germany Bundesliga come to two abasa no sre na. Na mo ko en ebu eda brand we say so near 115 million euros. What's the Bayern Munich career? Mo say dem need a left-footed centre back.
Yes.
It's omo ba bia na open mechanic need Matthias left ni na. Omo nyomo you right.
Omo ye
penalties. So they needed a left-footed centre back and quality bit is Guardiola in terms of age so on afan kebebo omo. Now, no, Abu Dhabi 150 million euros from Munyo Madrid so Metria. City is trying to make sure some Betima sign Kovacic. Almost sign Kovacic in India, they will use Kovacic to convince this boy thoroughly to make sure because of the Croatian connection. Abraham Kovacic what Chelsea, the Etiana Chelsea what did so Betima sign Josko Vadio. You know, said Kovacic was involved in such discussions. Some would in the back will be. But the City will have to sign Kovacic, use him as a point of contact and make sure say they will convince Guardiola. Now Guardiola about be more Manchester City. Abrante and Ankasa relation the dream to play under Pep Guardiola and he feels Guardiola will make him the best. Abu,
I can't see man me no.
Yes.
But Muzo the United I be too so.
Yes, sir.
Rum kakraman.
Abu,
me bishop from
baby akwako duru say meaning say a lot of questions.
Them come on banane ato United no. For 2 minutes in Rum.
Abu, the 10 years say we are Manchester United fan e ma hu pepru bebre ma when inji bebre say Sheikh Jassim ato team no.
Sir.
You see, the convincing aspect of the entire man for OGD say Sheikh Jassim to Manchester and nyoma mienu. Sa tweet we say your friend is Zaid Al Hamdan, a businessman Wakata. Now, Qatar for penny for ni consultants for now, or more links, dignitaries, diplomatic for no can be pano close ties with the Jassim family.
Oh, okay.
I'm on number 20 way enra. Congratulations to Sheikh Jassim bin Hamad bin Jassim on his acquisition. Good. Then, this is a local newspaper in Qatar. I friend Al Watan. Al Watan no Sheikh Jassim ne papa Hamad bin Jassim no 50% shares wo. And almost when no report about want said the success of Sheikh Jassim bin Hamad bin Jassim's acquisition of Manchester United, the announcement of the deal soon. Sam your mom you know. And Oko Qatar normally na answer na newspaper dey bibia beba abonte na enye so sorry I no atro bibi na dey ba. It's based on information, it goes through a lot of protocols because before answer na news na ba abonte. Iti Manchester supporters ni bi ne IT case ni bi omo ka say Sheikh Jassim ato Manchester United digidie ni na is based on these two tweets.
Sa tweet we no.
Sa tweet ni mi no. Ana mo nya gidie say Manchester United ya to ama Sheikh Jassim. De to so mi no. De mo ya convince ni say Abu Dhabi. Anka Glazers no pese Ratcliffe eya adwuma na ka dey na dada no. Omo ma Ratcliffe in Remu as the preferred bidder if he's always the leading candidate. Ana de say asem no kra na say the story that came out that I said Al Khalafi, any Glazers and young Kita would about a month ago. I'm on my catching so only Jassim Nkasa no increasing the bid, makes them feel that the Glazers are willing to sell the club to Jassim. It's all the reportage says Jassim at to club, no. It's from these particular sources. I'm about the actual no coin. I'm so I'm assumptions in the genus here, but officially the club have not communicated anything to any of the parties. Bidders ni can't also wo any team now. We any team now. There is not going to be any preferred bed and also be able to do exclusivity period.
When a PR job on the last time they said they be ala mo come as them no. Say transfer window. Visual bad they be okay.
Yeah.
So say Kruna player ni film no. On one say drop on a report ya let just be you.
Let's say be wom. Me when the be the wom. But as to the official because the English people no so no shall share with Ratcliffe there. From the Times. It was Matt Lawton. On money ban on the cancer want to say yes, we there. Ineos na dey o
Qatar England for.
It's akwa Qatar and England for. But Glazers no e show mu trim.
Mate, me da se pa me za. Bishop.
Mira.
Akwaba.
Yeah,
There be a few ball call there.
I don't know.